Have you ever stopped to think about how people traveled hundreds of years ago? No cars, just rough roads and very long journeys. What takes us a few hours today could take weeks in the past. But over time, human creativity changed everything. From horse-drawn carts to high-speed trains and modern airplanes, transportation has gone through an incredible transformation. Let's take a journey through time and see how it all happened. For thousands of years, animals were the backbone of transportation. Horses carried travelers across long distances. Camels helped people survive and move through harsh desert environments. Oxen pulled heavy carts filled with food, tools, and supplies. These animals didn't just help people travel, they helped civilizations grow and connect with one another. But while animals were reliable, they were also slow. A journey between two cities could take days, sometimes even weeks. As communities grew into cities, people began looking for more comfortable ways to travel. That's when horse-drawn carriages became popular. Roads were improved, and traveling became more organized. Still, everything depended on the strength and endurance of animals. There was a limit to how far and how fast people could go. Then came one of the biggest breakthroughs in transportation history.
In the early 1800s, steam trains began running on railways. These powerful machines could pull large loads and travel much faster than horse carriages. For the first time, people could move between cities in just a few hours. Railways connected towns, boosted trade, really changed the way people experienced distance.
By the late 1800s, another revolutionary invention appeared, the automobile. Early cars were noisy, slow, and sometimes unreliable. Many people didn't believe they would ever replace horses, but as technology improved, cars became more practical. When mass production began in the early 1900s, automobiles quickly became one of the most important inventions of modern life.
While roads and railways transformed land travel, ships were connecting the world across oceans. For centuries, wooden sailing ships carried explorers, traders, and travelers between continents.
Later, steam-powered ships made ocean travel faster and more reliable. Today, enormous cargo ships transport goods across the globe, supporting international trade.
In 1903, something remarkable happened. Two brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, created the first successful air vehicle.
Orville, it's ready.
Let's fly!
Their aircraft stayed in the air for only a few seconds, but it proved something incredible. Humans could fly. Over the decades, aviation technology improved rapidly. Today, airplanes carry millions of passengers every day and connect nearly every part of the world. Transportation today is faster and more advanced than ever before. Electric cars are changing the future of driving. High-speed trains can travel hundreds of kilometers per hour. Modern airplanes can cross entire oceans in less than a day. What once seemed impossible is now part of everyday life. When we look back at the history of transportation, it's truly amazing to see how far humanity has come. What started with simple animal-powered travel slowly transformed into machines that can cross entire continents in just a few hours. Horses and carts once carried people along dusty roads. Steam trains connected growing cities. Automobiles gave individuals the freedom to travel far, and airplanes made the world feel smaller than it ever had. Today, transportation continues to evolve. Electric vehicles are becoming more common, high-speed trains are breaking records, and engineers are even developing flying cars and autonomous vehicles that could change the way we travel in the future. When you step into a car, board a train, or fly on an airplane, you're not just using a machine, you're experiencing the result of centuries of innovation is far from over. Who knows? The next great invention in transportation might already be on its way. Thank you for watching Vehicle Morph, where we explore how vehicles have transformed through time. If you enjoyed this journey through transportation history, don't forget to subscribe and join us as we continue exploring the incredible evolution of machines that move our world.
Subscribe to Vehicle Morph for more vehicle evolutions.